Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I've got a really nice car to show you. It's a Volkswagen Golf SE Nav and it's finished in Tornado Red. It's a really bright car. It's only done just over 14,000 miles, so hardly any at all. You've got your 16-inch bi-tone diamond cut alloy wheels. They're the Linas ones. They really suit the look of the car. You've got a lot of kit on with it being an SE navigation car. So you've got your LED rear tail lights, 5-door body style, this one really practical. And then when you come to the front of this car, with it being the SE nav, it's got the halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights below, all in one unit. Really nice looking car. Comes with 2-year warranty, and our Volkswagen trained technicians do a 142-point check on this vehicle to make sure everything's in working order for you. You also get 2 years roadside assistance should you need it, and if you opt for a PCP plan on this car, you get 2 years of free servicing as well. So you get a lot of kit and a lot of peace of mind when buying an approved used Volkswagen. I'll show you the inside of the car now. This car's got the Zoom cloth seats, so the name of it, in the colour Titan Black. Same in the back as well. You've got an armrest that comes out in the middle and 2 ISOFIX points as well. Got navigation, with it being the SE nav. Built in, it's a really good system. You don't need data or anything. If you do want to use your phone, you've also got the option of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Semi-digital dash on this car with your TFT display in the middle and then your analog dials. Quite sporty as well with your red needles on the dials. You can tell all different things. On mine I have the speed in the middle. Just nice to have a digital speed as well. If you want to have it on your navigation, you can also have the arrows and it'll show you where you need to go. Your mirrors are heated as well for the winter. A really nice feature to have. In this unit here, you've got your sunglasses holder. You've also got your light controls, sun visor with light, and then you've got your owner's manual and service history in there. I'll just show you the boot and tell you a few more benefits about an approved used Volkswagen. It's really efficient as it is the Blue Motion engine. Obviously our valets will clean it and it will look a lot nicer than this for you. You've got spare wheel should you need it, really good to have. So that is our Tornado Red Volkswagen Golf SE Nav in manual in our dealership Lancaster Volkswagen. We have also got an identical car that has a DSG gearbox automatic instead of manual, so that might be something of interest to you. If you have any questions about a part exchange that you might have towards this car, don't hesitate to ask us. We also do have flexible financial options for you. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.